Hello, greetings everybody. How are you doing today? And how are we doing today? My name is Instructor Nelly with a difference. And today we will be talking about how to read your tape. This is the tape, okay? This today's topic is about reading of this tape. Why are we reading the tape? Because our class is all about pattern drafting. And this class is for beginners. If you know you've been looking for a way to attend a fashion school and you've not had the opportunity, maybe because of work, then this video is for you. If you know you want to become a fashion designer, but you don't have the finance to attend a fashion school, this video is for you. So it's just for beginners. So if you know you're a beginner, sit back, relax, and watch how this is going to go, okay? Like I said again, let me repeat myself. Today's topic is about read your tape rule. All right, so let's get to practical. Okay. Hi, everybody. This is the practical part of our tape reading, okay? Now, the things you'll be needing for this class. You'll need your tape rule, your pencil, okay? Of course, your white paper. There is also a brown paper if you can't find the white paper. And then your ruler, okay? So let's get to work. This tape now, okay? An inch is 8 points. From where you have this metal to the 1 whole inch here, 1 whole number here, is what? 1 inch. 8 points gives us 1 inch. So let's write it on the paper so you can understand what I'm trying to say. Let's count it together. 8 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? These 8 points right now gives us 1 inch. Now, why is these points important? It's important because this class is all about pattern drafting. Pattern drafting. And these points are needed when it comes to pattern drafting. You don't omit it. That is why this class is important. Pay attention on what I'm teaching, please, okay? Now, in a terminology or a fashion terminology, this will be written in its form. This one here is written in this form, 1 all over this 8. You have the second point here, which is 2, is also all over 8. The next point is 3 all over 8. Then you have 4 all over 8. And what? This 4 is half of 8. Okay, so this is half inch as it is right now, half an inch. Now we'll continue with the next point, which is what? Number 5. 5 all over 8. The next one is what? 6 all over 8. The next one is what? 7 all over 8. And then you have the next one, which is 8 over 8. Now, this 8 over 8 is what? 1 inch. Do we understand? Now, that is why I said don't omit any of these points. Okay? Now, if you have if you take someone's measurement now, let me use myself, my wrist, as an example. You take a measurement like this. Okay? I don't know how to, let's say we take a measurement and it falls on 6. Okay, that's the 6 is a whole number. So 6 inches. This is my 6 inches here. Then it shifts to the next point after 6. Don't run away from it, work with it. But how is this written right now? It's going to be 6, this 6, 1 over 8, because after the 6, the point it falls in is 1 point. If it falls on the second point, it's going to be 6, 2 over 8. If it falls on the third point, it's going to be 6, 3 over 8. And then the next one, 6 4 over 8. Then you have 6 5 over 8, 6 6 over 8, 6 7 over 8, and then 7 inches. So in fact, the whole thing I'm talking about right now is about this point. Just understand how to work with these points. Don't ever omit it. You have 1 over 8, 2 over 8, 3 over 8, 4 over 8, 5 over 8, 6 over 8, 7 over 8, and then 8, which takes you to the next number. So whatever you are doing, like I said earlier, 6, how is this written? You write 6. If it falls in the first point, 1 over 8. If it falls on the next point, it's going to be 6 2 over 8. If it falls on the third point, it's going to be 6 3 over 8. And then if it falls on half, it's going to be 6 4 over 8. I hope you understand it. Once you understand these points, then when it comes to the pattern drafting, you find it very easy. And please, if you don't understand, drop your comments on the comment section and I'll reply you. So let's get back to work. Now the next one is after 4, you count the next point, 5. It's still 6 5 over 8. The next point, 6 6 over 8. 6 7 over 8. And then there is nothing like 6 8 over 8. It just goes to the what? Next point. After 6 is what? 7. Do you understand? Then this same thing continues again. If it falls on any points in between 7 and 8, work with those points. It's still going to be 7 1 over 8. Okay? Just like the way I've done this, it takes you all the way to the next point, which is 8. Okay? So if you take someone's measurement and it falls in 28, fine. What am I trying to say? Once you have 28 and you have these points here with it, don't run from it. If it falls in 28 and this is just written in this manner, 28 4 over 8. I hope you understand. So this is how far I can go for now. Well, till we meet again on our next class. Bye for now. Bye.